Hello and welcome to Zombie Love Creations. In this video, I'm going to attempt to recreate these adorable 4th of July nails. The polish that I will be using today are Beetles brand number 803 for the Nude, Black Heart Teal Galaxy I purchased from Hot Topic. For the white, I will be using Sensation Nail, Not My Nana's Pearls. The red and blue I got in a Christmas gift box, so I don't even know where they're from or even how to find them. This red holo I got from Amazon, and I will leave all the links down below. Last but not least is Sally Henson's Get Mod for the stamps. Since these polishes are not gel, I'm mixing them 50-50 ratio with this hydrogel polish to gel. It cures under the lamp just like any other gel. This stuff is amazing when working with stamps. If you make a mistake, just wipe it off with alcohol and try again. I will be using the Beetles brand base coat and top coat. The stamping plate I will be using today is the Cat Sky number 004. The nails are from Amazon, EC Basket by Nails Gaga in the coffin shape. My LED lamp I purchased through eBay a few years back, and I can't find any for sale online anymore. If I find anything similar, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Okay, before we get started, let me tell you a little bit about my hands and how they function. I have a neurological disorder that has damaged my C6-7 spine, causing paralysis from the chest down. My triceps down to my hands are affected, so I call them floppy hands. Lack of strength and coordination make them floppy and clumsy. Here are some of the tools I will be using to help me create this design.
Moments later.
First, I'm going in with the base coat, and Beetles recommends a 90-second cure time. After curing the base coat, I'm taking the nude halfway up the nail on the thumb, index finger, and pinky nails. Then I'm curing them for the recommended 90 seconds. giving them a second coat to make sure they're opaque. I'm now mixing the blue with hydrocoal. I will be applying 2 coats, and after each coat, I will cure for 60 seconds. On the thumb, index, and pinky nails, I'm going to be painting the tips blue and curing them for 60 seconds. I've dipped my rounded brush into some alcohol and I'm cleaning up my smile lines before I cure for 60 seconds. Now to mix Teal Galaxy with hydrocoal. I'm going to be placing it on top of all the blue. Off camera, I mixed the red with the hydrocoal. I will be putting 2 coats and curing after each coat. I'm now adding a coat of the red holo and curing for the recommended 90 seconds. I'm adding 1 coat of the red holo in a diagonal across the solid blue nails. Then I'm curing them for the recommended 90 seconds. I'm taking one of the small paint brushes, using Sensation Nail Not My Nana's Pearls to paint the white lines on top of the red holo. Again, I'm using a paintbrush dipped in alcohol to clean up my lines. I'm now creating the white smile lines where the nude and blue meet on the thumb, index, and pinky nails. Again, I'm using a paintbrush dipped in alcohol to clean up my lines. Now to place the star, I'm taking my CAD Sky number 004 stamping plate and using the Sally Hansen's Get Mod. I'll be using the scraper and my clear stamper. I do have a little bit of trouble getting it on camera. I'm using my silicone tip tools to clean up the stamp a little bit before placing it down on the nail. I don't know why, but I find success using base coat to cover my polish without smearing before I cure. Using my dotting tool, I'm going in with some of the red holo to create the hearts. I'm going to do it a little offset. Almost done. All I have to do is go in with the top coat and cure. The final step is to prepare them as a gift. I will be placing them on cardstock with this 3D foam tape. In the last part, I'm using gloves to prevent fingerprints. I've removed the nails from the stands and cleaned the back with alcohol and shined them up. Then I will be placing the nails on the tape in order. And there we have it, the finished nails. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.